How to fix video not playing on X. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, go ahead and enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off after 3 seconds. Switch into your Wi-Fi or a better cellular data connection. Next, you need to go ahead and press and hold onto your Twitter application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache to fix any of the bug or a glitch issue. Open up your Play Store or App Store, search for X, then tap on the app. If there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application. Open up your phone setting and check out your system update and make sure your system is up to date. Alternatively, go to App and head to All Apps option. Search for X. Repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading to Storage and Cache and clearing up the cache. This should fix the issue of video not playing. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.